Hello student, today we are going to see NCERT example problem 9th chapter 5th problem class 11 physics we are going to discuss. Actually it's asked about the bulk modulus of elasticity. Now I am going to teach you how to solve the solution. Yeah, it is a 9th chapter 5th example problem we are going to discuss class 11 physics. Okay, first we will see what is a given data. Height is given, bulk modulus is given and gravity is given. They asked you to calculate with the changing volume by original volume, that is called strain. They asked you to calculate. Okay, now I'll be doing this problem. See here, first we need to know what is bulk modulus. Okay, bulk modulus of elasticity, whether it's a bulk or ring, it's going to be a stress by strain. What is stress? Force per unit area. What is strain? For bulk modulus, changing volume by original volume. This only they are asking. Okay, so you can do the cross multiplication. So dV by V, changing volume by original volume, is equal to force per unit area divided by bulk modulus. Okay, what is force per unit area? We can call as a pressure also. Pressure by bulk modulus also we can write like this. Okay, the same equation, just I modified. Okay, so changing volume by original volume, pressure by bulk modulus. What is pressure? H rho g, height, gravity and density divided by bulk modulus. Okay, now what is a height? Height we know it is a water. Actually water height is given, it's 1000 meter. What is a water density? 1000. Okay, what is a gravity? 10 they asked you to take. Okay, the next one, see here, it's going to be height is going to be 3000. Okay, 3 will come here. Okay, bulk modulus of elasticity 2.2 into 10 power plus 9. Okay, this is a bulk modulus. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 is there. Okay, denominator 90 is there. Just a calculation, 10 power plus 7 as a numerator. Denominator 2.2 into 10 power plus 9 as a denominator. From denominator to numerator, this value if you are taken, the value will become as a negative. Okay, so dV by V, finally changing volume by original volume, 3 into 10 power plus 7 is a numerator. From denominator I am bringing as a 9, that's going to become as a minus 9 divided by 2.2 plus 7 minus 9, we'll have 10 power minus 2. Okay, 3 divided by 2.2. Now I have to do the calculation. Just numerator 10, denominator 10 I multiple, because I want to remove this decimal. So we can get 30 divided by 22 into 10 power minus 2. What is 30 divided by 22? Simple division we can do. Okay, 30, 22, one time first. Okay, then 8 will be there, 0.66 will be 3 times. Again I will get 14. Okay, then 0. So this calculation will get us approximately 6 times. Okay, so 1.36 into 10 power minus 2 as an answer. Changing volume by original volume, we don't have any unit because meter cube get cancelled. So this is a changing volume by original volume. If you want to convert this as a percentage, means into 100. Okay, whatever, if you want to convert strain as a percentage, means into 100. So 10 power minus 2 and 10 power plus 2 will go off, 1.36%. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.